Next, I would like to teach you how to do the example in the book, in the textbook, right? You have that color circle. So how to draw this color circle? And I'm going to keep this as it is, and I'm going to use some other thing. Let's use some other event. I'm going to use this one when space bar is clicked, and I just want to erase everything from the screen. Let's go to the pen and erase all, otherwise it will not erase the screen existing things. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the control and I'm going to repeat, let's say 10 times. I need to start from 0, 0. Therefore, I'm going to the position 0, 0, go to position 0, 0, starting from the center of the screen and move in. Let's say 140 steps, turn in only 1 degree, and also I'm changing the color, changing the pen color by 10. So let's put the space bar, and now you can see when I place the space bar, it's drawing. I just need some more steps. I'm adding 100 steps. Press space bar, and you can see it's repeating 100 times. It's changing color 100 times, right? So 100 is not enough. Therefore, I'll go for 360, because that is the number of degree in a circle. So then you can see, oh, not this, sorry, it's my mistake. Just put space bar and you can see it's drawing. Can cover in all 160 degrees. But the color variation, I don't like that high speed color variation. Therefore, I'm going to change color by 1, just by 1, not by 10, just by 1, and repeat it. Now you can see, right, it's clear, nice shade. But same color you can see like 1, 2, 3 times. That is too much. Same color 3 times means you are rapidly changing the color. So you have to reduce the speed of changing. So let's change to 0.2. 0.2 fraction of a color. Oh, sorry, again my mistake. Now you can see more gradient. Right, more gradient, but will it cover all the colors? It seems it has color, but yellows missing. So let's reduce the size of the pen. Sorry, let's reduce the pen size. Change pen size to 2. No, not this one. I just need set the pen size to, let's say 2 pixel pen. Repeating, and this, sorry, more or less repeating the previous one. Now let's see. Okay, you can see the gradient perfectly, and still yellow is missing. So let's let's reduce this to 1 pixel and see. 1 pixel, 1 degree, space. Okay, now you can see the yellows, reds, blues, greens, purples up to some level. So let's reduce this further. So let's increase this further, right? To 5. Then the rapid change will be there, because 0.2 is not enough to show all the colors. 0.25 is showing reds, yellows, purples. Okay, still not enough. Seems 0.3. Okay, I think now it's okay. It's coming to the blue, and yes, and some purples are there here. Small purple section is there. So let's increase the pen size to 2 and see whether it's vanishing or not. So likewise, you can try. You can try to do. Now should finish with the blue. Some purples are there. So therefore, this is too rapid. I'm going to reduce this to 2.8. Right? Likewise, I have to balance. පටන් ගන්න එකෙන් ඉවර වෙන්න ඕන. Started with purples, now blues and purples. Great. It seems the perfect triangle is this. Perfect color circle is this. But there are some like minor issues, but you can just correct that. So try this, right? So this is something similar to the one in your book, but not the exact same, right? Not the exact same. So let's say, let's go to the book and see. Desktop and the books, grade 9, English medium, reading book. Okay, the stretch programming part. Start with electronic spreadsheets. Okay, here. But this is crispy, right? This is crispy. Okay, this is some another thing you can just try. Some another thing. So repeat, and inside that there's another repeat. Repeat inside repeat. Just try these things. Just try these things. This looks like the same, but we have added more radial. The other one also we can try like, so this, it's similar to this one, right? I'm going to take a duplicate of entire thing and take this, sorry, move this down, and I'm going to change this second one. Okay, this is for drawing a shape. I kept this because some of you were doing that, right? So let's change this one, and now let's add another key, except this key. So let's add another key to run this. And I'm going to events and add when I press, let's put another key. When I press up arrow, if you do something like this, repeat this. Okay, repeat 100 times. Move 100 steps, and I'm telling to turn like 127 degrees. So let's see what will happen when I press the up arrow. Okay, you can see. So you can draw like shape like this. But the pen size, you can just reduce it to 1, and the move in, you can increase the number of steps to 200 more steps, and try with the arrow. You can see. So this shape is somewhat similar to the one that you saw in the book, but only few colors. You have to change the color in each step. So that can be done by adding this change color by 10. Just put up arrow, and you will get the multiple color one like this. So try all these, right? Try all these. First one, second one, third one. So you can enjoy this. Right? Repeat 100 times, and let's move 200 steps, then you will get bigger one. You can see it's a bigger one. And if you change the color just by 1 and change the pen size to 2, likewise you can just try different variations and change color by 1 and just repeat this, let's say 300 steps. Different colors, different colors. Okay, nice. Okay, nice color wheel. Okay, so I think you can enjoy the lesson by doing these things, right? Just do practice and send me nice patterns. If you come up with nice styles, nice patterns, just send it to me to the WhatsApp group. So please write down all three. 1, 2, and 3. Please write down all three and try this along with different numbers. Take a screenshot also, right? You can see this as a rotating one. It's illusion. We call illusion. That is not really happening, but when you see that, you can see because of the color mix, you can see it's like rotating slowly. Optical illusion. Right, okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Have you finished writing? Have you finished copying? Silent. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'm going to stop for today and good night. We'll see you in next week. So please do this, right? Please do this. Please send the exercises. So please prove that you are doing it at home. Prove that you are enjoying the lesson. Otherwise, it's like if you are not doing, if I'm doing, that is just one side. Okay, then see you all next week. Good night. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.